Hey guys, Chris here with Gtechniq. We all face the same problems when we're driving on the roads. Your wheels get dirty. W6 Iron Follow Remover is your solution to this. W6 is a great product for the maintenance side when you're washing your vehicle, but you can also use it on your paint, not just your wheels. With W6, when you spray it on, it actually activates to the iron and the minerals on the surface of the car. That activation turns purple. That purple, once you see that, you can start rinsing off. That's going to remove the chemicals from the surface. You can agitate the wheels as necessary with a clean brush or even a microfiber towel. W6 Iron Fallout Remover, very straightforward. Use it out of direct sunlight. That's the best thing you can do. W6 Iron Fallout Remover works great. Use it on your wheels, cleans great, and it has lots of extra protection for after you use it. It helps reduce the buildup of rust and things after the fact.